This is odd number. We have to place it here. This is 2 3. This is odd number. So we have to place it here.
Next.
This is 4. We have to place it in. This is 5. We have to place it. This is
Odd number.
odd. 6 is even number. We need places here. Odd number.
What is that number?
7.
Next.
This is number 8. So this is even number. This is 9. So we need to put it in odd. This is 10. When you place it in even number. If it's negative, you have to place it in odd number. It is even number.
What is that number?
Even
Number.
number.
Put it in even numbers.
Sister, odd number 13.
Place it in odd numbers.
This is odd number, even number.
Put it in even numbers.
This is 15 number. This is odd number. This is 16 number. Even number. This is 1717 number. That is odd number.
Number.
This is number 18 number.
This is
This even number 18.
next B.
This is 19 number odd.
Next Dakshika.